So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have or how to edit line spacing on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, what I want you to do is just go to the top and I will just type in the word line spacing just like this. I will then go to where it says text and I will make it quite a bit larger. So if you want to adjust the line spacing, so that's just how much space is in between each line, press on the text right here, go down to where it says spacing just like this, and then I want you to go to where it says line spacing right here. Just like that, and you can actually increase it this way, so you can increase it exactly the way you're looking for, just like that. You can also just go right here and go 1.2, 1.5, and or double for simplicity's sake. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the line spacing on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.